Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you that how to add Blue Willow AI art to your own private Discord server. The process is very easy, you just have to follow me step by step and please do not skip the video and watch it till the end. Let's get started without wasting any time. So you can see that I have opened this Discord server and I will be putting the link to this in my description box that you can access for free. And now first of all you have to create your own server. I have to click this plus sign and add a server. I have one already, but I'm showing you that how you can create one. If you click this, you have to click any option, you have to choose a template. I'm going to click create my own, and then you can choose any option from this, doesn't matter. I will be clicking for me and my friends, and then you have to name your server. This is a server that I have already named, but you can name it single mini or something, whatever you want, and then you have to click create, and then you can see that your server is ready to use. Now you have to go to Blue Willow, and then you have to come to this rookie option. Here you can click this rookie option, and then if you scroll a little bit up and down, you can see there's this option of AI artwork, and you have to search for a bot. Here you can see this is a bot. If you are on phone, you have to select this icon, but I'm on my laptop, so I'm going to click the username, the Blue Willow one, and then click add to server. After that, you have to choose and select the server that you want to add this to. I will be selecting any of these. I can click this one, and now I have to click continue, and then I will scroll down and check click all these boxes and click authorize, and then this prompt comes where they tell me that it is added to my server and I can check my server. After that, I have to go to my server, and here I will click /, and then I will click this imagine option. Here I will put a prompt that create my own AI artwork, and then press enter, and then you have to wait for a few seconds and your AI artwork will be ready to use. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And thank you so much for being patient with me. And now you can see that my AI artwork is ready. This is a AI artwork that I have just produced in front of you. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.